After finishing this portion of the exam, I believe you may have the L4, L5 radiculopathy. What this is you have different bones in your back that makes up your vertebral column called vertebrae. In between each of these vertebrae, you have different nerves that run through them and out to go to different parts of your back, your legs, and your feet. I believe that you sitting in one position for so long when you're driving, that can be causing some of your pain just from constantly putting a little bit of pressure on that nerve. You also may be using improper form when you're lifting those heavy objects at work that you mentioned before. I think to help decrease some of your symptoms, you should come to physical therapy 2 times a week over the next 8 weeks so I can help you manage your pain and learn different techniques to help manage your symptoms better and also help you change your body mechanics when you're in pain so you won't further exacerbate those symptoms. Now, in physical therapy, your sessions will be probably about an hour. I'll give you different exercises to help you regain some of that main range of motion and to also help you decrease your pain. So today, at the end of the treatment, I'll give you an HEP, which is a home exercise program. It'll consist of 2 to 3 exercises that I want you to do 2 times a day, once in the morning, once sometime in the evening or at night. This will also help you regain your range of motion, decrease your pain, and it should help you learn different positions that you can put yourself in to feel better at the end of the day. So I noticed that you said that you're only 35. Why is this happening to me? Well, back pain is fairly common. It happens with most people just from being in positions for too long, like at work, and then doing sudden movements. So this isn't really rare. It happens to most people. I understand that you're worried about work. I think a way that you can help decrease some of your symptoms when you're on these 6 hours drives is taking a break. So I think every hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to get out, to stop, get out, walk around a little bit, stretch some to help decrease your symptoms. I know this will slow down your drive time, but I think this can be really beneficial for you. Now for your HEP, I'm going to show you how to do the exercises, but I noticed that you said that you like to learn by seeing. So I can show you and then have you do it and help you make any corrections to that. And then if you want, I can have you perform the exercise again. And I can record you on your phone so you can have the video as a reference to use when you're at home doing it again. Okay, well, do you have any questions so far? Well, if not, we can go ahead and get started on your home exercise program. Now, this first exercise is called a prone press up. So what I want you to do is lay on your stomach. And then I want you to come up on your forearms like this. And then you should just hold it for about 3 seconds. Go back down. And then come back up slowly until you feel a good stretch right here in your low back. Now, if that seems too easy for you, you can actually go up onto your arms like this. Make sure to breathe throughout the exercise. Don't hurt your breath because that'll cause more pain and increase pressure. Okay, this second exercise is a hip flexor stretch. So what you're going to do, you're going to come up on your knees. And since it's your right hip that's really tight, you're going to put your left leg out. And what I want you to do is kind of stand up straight. You put your hand on your hips for balance. And then you're just going to lean forward. And you should feel a good stretch right here on this hip. So you just hold that for about 30 seconds. And you come out of it, take a little break, and go right back into it. You should feel a good stretch right here. If it's putting too much pressure on your knees, you can put a towel down or maybe get a yoga mat to take off some of the pressure on your knees. Okay. Do you have any other questions for me? I have time to answer them. Okay, well now I'll walk you up to the front with our scheduler. I'm just going to let her know that I want you to see you 2 times a week over for the next 8 weeks. Okay, are you sure you don't have any other questions? Okay, thank you. Well, you enjoy the rest of your day.